Hey guys, so it's time to go back to Singapore. Gotta serve my national service in the military. My pig. And my drone. And my bag. And my other 2 bags that are like 30 kg each. Anyways, time to say goodbye to China and Beijing. So I lived here for so long, and all my friends. You guys are great. Thanks for making my time so amazing here. Well, the car just crashed. And I'm gonna be late for the plane. It's time to take my bags and go. I found William. Hello. We're gonna go together now. I don't know. It's called like every moment of my life. So this guy came. Didn't want to see him, but like he came. He gave me this stupid letter. Ew.
See, I wrote a letter detailing
Gross.
why every single reason why I hate Jinhui.
It's okay. I don't even need a letter to tell you. You know.
He's a crap.
Hate you.
Another like relationship.
I'm out. Yeah, no. We're going. Let's go with my Peppa Pig. George.
And I
Dude, I couldn't bring Gengar and Snorlax.
no.
We're going on a train. Yeah, me too. Finally got through, and my drone made it. I was so worried, actually, so worried, because like I heard a lot of like stories about drones not making it and stuff, and I was just like, it's a new drone. I don't want it to like disappear, you know. So like, I'm really glad I made it. 2 batteries also made it. They checked it, and it was under the certified milliamp hours, so I was safe. So thank goodness, man. Thank goodness. Okay, while waiting for my buddy William, I've decided that I want to put a sticker on this drone bag, such as this one. I don't know which sticker I should use. Hold on, let me show you guys the options. You guys help me pick in the comments. Guys, so these are the options. Princess Bubblegum, Jake the Dog, Bimo, Ice King and Finn and Jake and Bimo and Gunter on this bag. Drone bag. I don't know. See which one you guys want. This great service. We don't get a passage. We get a giant bus. So yeah, bus life. It'd be bustling. We're going on the plane. Yay! We're on the plane and we're gonna head out soon. We've landed. And we're stuck on solitary. Solitaire. But like, being alone makes me think of solitaire.
Companies will most certainly let the seatbelt fasten until the seatbelt sign goes off.
Oh, okay, okay. Queen, Jack, Queen, 7, 7 goes.
Oh my god.
The race against time, race against time. Go, go, go. Where's the final go. Yes! William, we're home. What do you feel?
Sad.
Yeah, me too.
Miss my friends, miss my dad.
Well, we don't have to line up. Haha, E-channel. This is William and his bag on the back seat. He's got a lot of company. Yeah, so we're on the car now.